Okay, this is the elevator at the Garden of the Gods Visitor Center in Colorado Springs, Colorado. I'm wearing a mask during this, so sorry if I sound funny. Otis Series 1. Here at 1. Number 2. Door close button works. This is a hydraulic elevator. An indicator changes before the elevator even moves. Here at 2. Back down to 1. Look at a cab view. It's a basic elevator. Here's your social distancing stickers. It's very nice. Here we're at 1. It is 2,100 pounds capacity. We'll end the door at 2. Here we're at. Okay. Here's the call cancel button. We'll watch the button go out. Phone, ADA compliant. We'll end the tour at 1. There's the lights up there, fixtures, fluorescent light strips. Here we are at 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching.